Today, let's make a rich, creamy and a delicious butter chicken. Welcome to Suzacs, the world of simple quick recipes. First of all, we will marinate the chicken. I have taken 400 gram and made it into thin strips like this. Add 1 tablespoon of crushed ginger and garlic and 1 tablespoon of chilli powder and salt. Marinate and keep for 15 to 20 minutes. Heat oil in a pan and shallow fry the marinated chicken. Flip it and fry on all sides. And take out and keep it aside. To the same pan, add a bit of oil. Add 3 chopped onions and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. To this, add 4 chopped tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic, 7 to 8 cashew nuts, half a teaspoon of garam masala, 2 tablespoons of chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar to balance the sour taste, and saute it for 2 minutes. Now switch off the flame and allow it to cool. Add everything to a mixer and grind it to a smooth paste. Add this paste back to the pan and keep it on medium heat. And wash the mixer with some water and add that as well. To this, now add 5 tablespoons of butter and 3 tablespoons of fresh cream. Now add the fried chicken strips and keep it on low heat for 5 minutes. If it is too thick, add some hot water. Check salt and garnish it with some fresh cream and some coriander leaves. That's it. Our delicious butter chicken is ready. It's rich, creamy and very tasty and a really nice combination with chapati and rice. Do give it a try and let us know your feedback. Thank you.